Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the board and parts. Confirm which amplifier ICs are present and that the power rail voltage and current rating match the design. Once done, remove any burned components and clean flux. Make sure to document input and output traces. You then install proper decoupling capacitors close to each IC and solder the power connectors securely. This sets a stable foundation and prevents oscillation, so future adjustments behave predictably rather than masking underlying issues. You populate the left and right channels, then the mono substage, placing low-pass filter components for the sub near its input. Make sure to route grounds to a single star point. This reduces hum. Once assembled, attach heatsinks and thermal paste and set feedback and gain resistors per the IC datasheets. Then connect a 1K HZ test tone at low level. Gradually increase output while watching for clipping and thermal stress. This method keeps channels balanced and prevents immediate failures. You finish by calibrating crossover and relative levels, using a swept tone or measurement mic to set the sub cutoff and trim channel gains so the soundstage is coherent. Once satisfied, secure the board inside the enclosure with isolation mounts and confirm airflow for heatsinks. If you encounter hum, no output, or distortion, first verify the DC rails with a meter and inspect ground continuity. Make sure fuses and protection diodes are intact and listen for reversed speaker polarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.